Model, 18-plate Nissan Nv200, spares OR repair belt snap spares OR repairs trader margin grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 154,640. Engine, 1461 cc K9 K90 bhp, E6A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt snapped, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999